Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare instant tomato rice. I'm taking 4 onions and then 5 red chilies, 2 tomatoes and then green leaves. So this is the instant tomato rice. Definitely you guys like this kind of rice. This is also called one of the variety rice also. So for that I'm taking 1 cup of rice. So I'm taking fry pan and added 2 teaspoons of oil, and then added mustard seeds into this. So I just going to add onions and red chilies, green leaves into the fry pan. So now I'm added tomatoes into this. So I added 1.5 tablespoon salt into this onion. So after I'm going to add a white rice into this pan. So I added. So I'm going with deep fry. This will be a different taste. So this taste is a yummy taste. Okay, so definitely the peoples will like this kind of rices. So once you eat this rice, so definitely you all again you guys are going to prepare this. And thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you guys.